AI is, I guess, the thing this year at Cannes. It seems it's in every seminar and every conversation that's taking place. And the thing about AI that we feel at this point is that it still needs to be explained. And the best way to explain is to demonstrate. And so we have a suite this year at the Carlton Hotel where we're going to be taking our clients through literal demos of AI in action. They're going to get to actually see what it's like to program and to drive a self-driving car. They're going to be able to participate with an avatar so they can see what the face of AI will look like, how we'll be interacting with machines moving forward. We're going to see how Ernest and Julio Gallo use it on their winery between IoT and AI to make sure irrigation is going to the right places, etc. So for us, it's all about demonstrating what the skills are for AI that are going to be able to be put back into use for businesses, marketing and beyond. I think the simplest way to describe cognitive is this way. Programming, which is the era of computing we've basically been in, is done by humans. Cognitive is programming that's done by computers. So if you think about it, it really helps you drive speed, drive calculation, drive insight, and drive prediction into the same world we've been operating in. Programming is all about getting to an end result that you basically know what you want to get to. I know I want to add these two numbers together and I want to get there. I know I want to search on this term and I want to get results. Cognitive is basically taking computing power to help you get to answers that you didn't even realize you knew what you wanted. We have an event that we're doing in partnership with BTV and MEC. And we're going to have with us a gentleman by the name of Mark Sager, who runs a company called Soul Machines. They're based in New Zealand. Mark's an Oscar Award winner and a TED talker. He won his Oscars for the movie Avatar. It just so happens, probably not coincidentally, that he started a business since then that is about building avatars, which will be the interfaces that we will interact with AI. So he's going to bring a number of different demos, but one of the ones he has is when you call a call center right now, when you're looking for a credit card, let's say, you have a conversation with a person on the other end of the phone. That costs that company lots of money. Bank of America, American Express, whoever it might be. With avatars, you program it, and there's maintenance involved, obviously, but the cost of service is a lot lower. And if it gets to a place where the humanity of it feels real to you as a consumer, then you won't mind whether you're talking to a customer service representative that's of flesh and bone or of X's and O's, or zeros and ones. And so that's what Mark's going to talk about. So we're very quickly becoming a decisions platform. The way we're structured is that we report into the Watson Group. And the weather company's actually been joined up with a few other parts of the business together. One of them is an IoT platform, an Internet of Things platform. And our world there is all about taking data that's in sensors. There's about 17 billion devices right now that are connected to the internet. It's about being able to get all that data from all those sensors and being able to put it to use. And so that's one part of our business. Another part of our business, which is called Watson Content, is all about creating industry knowledge kits so that, let's say in the travel space or in the financial services space, if we can create a glass half full of information that's already got cognitive built into it, we can hit the ground running a lot more quickly and using that data to turn it into a cognitive operation. And the last bit is the weather company, and it's the endpoint. It's we're doing 25 billion plus forecast calls a day on 2 billion different devices. And so if you think about all of those things coming together, it's a platform that gets data, it's a group that is able to cognify that data, and it's the weather company that can put it to use both in the weather space and beyond for the businesses, the consumers, and the advertisers we serve. AI is an interesting space that it's going to be able to apply to so many different things. I think decisions and things that are a bit more binary are probably the first place it's going to gain the most traction. But we're already seeing AI put to work in creativity. We've seen Watson specifically put to use in building a movie trailer where the Watson was able to watch the entire movie. It ingested the content of the entire movie, and it was given clips, all sorts of different clips, dozens of them, and it put together its own trailer based on the clips that it got. And that's sort of a combination of creativity and binary. I mean, the whole world is basically mathematical at this point. And we're going to see more and more of that, from ad creative to copy points. Even now, if you, most email programs that we use, I know Gmail is this way, when you get a new email, you see at the bottom 3 different options for you to respond. That's AI, and it's not perfect yet, but that's the kind of right brain type of activities that AI is going to be doing in the future.